Assalamualaikum to all my lovely students. Now your first period is English Star Alphabet book. So take out your English book. Our next alphabet is F. So we are going to learn and read alphabet F. What is this? F. F for fish. F for fish. Where is fish? Here. F for fish. F for fish. F for fan. What is this? Fan. F for fan. F for fan. Repeat with me. F for fan. What is this? Fox. F for fox. F for fox. What is this? Flower. F for flower. F for flower. F for fan. F for fox. F for flower. Let's repeat this again. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. मेरे साथ रिपीट करिए. F for fan. F for fox. F for flower. तो बच्चों आज हमने क्लास में क्या याद किया? F. F for fish. F for fan. F for fox. F for flower.